everyone. So today is my last day working as a registered nurse supervisor in a skilled nursing facility. So today is May 28th and our temperature today is 69 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, after 2 years working in this facility, so this is my last day. And yeah, ihatid na naman nila ako ngayon kasi madami pang asikasuhin sa apartment. So yung mga kasama ko pinagsasabi na kahapon sa mga resident, yung ibang resident nasaan, may iba walang pakialam. So yan, nakakasad din kasi na parang family ko na din sila dun. So yeah, we'll see later how it goes. Alright, we'll see you later.
So, nandito na ako sa bahay. Si Alison nasa work pa niya. It's her last day today. And si Jansoy nasa taas. It's already 3 p.m. dito sa amin, sa Mississippi. And ikakabit ko ngayon yung webcam na nabili ko sa Amazon. I actually made a video yesterday, pero hindi ko tinapos kasi ang init. So, I had to stop. And ngayon ko na ikakabit. So yung video na yon, ito yon. Wala na akong trabaho ngayon. It's 2:45 p.m. dito sa Mississippi. And medyo mainit na, humid na. So I think tuloy-tuloy ng init nito. So yun, and this is a continuation of our preparation for our long road trip papuntang north, specifically sa Washington State. So ilang days na lang, and we're still packing, we're still preparing for yun nga, para sa biyahe namin. So kararating lang nito, kasi may mga nagko-comments about safety, security sa trip namin, and thank you very much po, and we appreciate your suggestions. So I bought this kasi wala pa kaming dashcam eh. So may nag-comment na really need this, and we agree. So we bought this dashcam sa Amazon. Ang regular price nito is $150 excluding taxes pa yon, pero nag-sale siya $100 na lang excluding tax pa din. So not bad. Itong binili ko, may mga tag 200, 300, pero hindi ko na binili kasi yung mga features, I don't think I need those features na. Ito lang para mag-record sa biyahe namin, just in case lang naman. So I bought this. Ikakabit ko ngayon ito mamaya. And then may nag-comment din, I think it was yung name niya, won't be late. Yeah, I think. Thank you po, sir or ma'am, kasi hindi ko alam kung female or male po kayo. Thank you po. So ito yung binili ko. Ito, I think this is name ito hitch lock. Ito. So ikakabit natin to. So ito yung itsura niya. Hitch lock ito, para hindi manakaw. So binili ko to sa sa Amazon. Hindi ko alam yung price nito, kalimutan ko, tingnan ko anong price nito. I think so $14 ang price niya. So ikakabit natin to, i-demonstrate ko kung paano gamitin to. So ito yung ball kasi natatanggal to eh. So ang lumang niyang lalagyan is ito lang. Ano ba yun? Na-demonstrate na to eh, yung previous vlog ko. So yan, kakabit yan dyan. Muna. Yan. And then you would insert this one here. No, I'm good, thank you.
She's being a gentleman.
Yeah, you're a good boy.
She needs help. I always need help.
Ito may dyan. Yan. Tapos dito sa kabila yung pin. So may butas yan. Lalagay mo lang yan dito. Yan. Push mo lang yan. Yan. So hindi na to so secured na yan. Pero may mga nangunguha pala ng ganito. Kasi easy lang yan eh. Yan. Tapos natatanggal na. So ang gagawin pala nito, kamo na. So ang gagawin nito, instead of ito ang gagamitin kasi walang lock to eh. So ang gagamitin natin is ito. Yan, may lock yan. So ilalagay natin. Mabigat nito eh. Yan, ilalagay natin dyan. Yan. Ganon pa rin. So ito, lagyan natin ng ano pa rin, may butas yan. May butas yan. Ow! Hindi tayo mekaniko, hindi tayo. Ow! Okay. Yan. So, para hindi gagalaw, lalagyan ito. Yan. Tapos itong lock. May lock ito. Magkukita nyo yan. Ano ito? Kita yan ito. Yan. So hindi na yan makukuha. Yan, secure na yan. Hindi na yan makukuha. So ito, secured na to. Yan. Nakalock na siya. So makukuha mo lang yan pag may key ka. Sira pa. Yan. So makukuha mo yan. Yan. So yun. At least man lang may secured na yan. So hindi na yan makukuha ng kawatan. So susunod yung dashcam. Ilalagay ko ngayon. Tapos yun. So secured na to. Okay na tong malaki na sasakyan namin. Good to go. Tapos may nagtatanong kasi si Tora, yung doktor sa Pilipinas na nurse dito. Itong puti namin, ipa-ship namin yan papuntang Washington. So I think 1.6 yata yung binayaran ko sa isang shipping company dito. 1,600. Bukas kukunin 600 yata ang bayaran namin bukas sa credit card. Tapos after 7 days yata aabot doon sa Washington. Yung 1,000 naman doon namin ibabayad. So baka abot doon before kami abot din sa Washington. So yung brother-in-law ko lang ang yung pangalan ang pina-deliver ko. So siya na lang bubayad. Padala lang kami ng money sa kanya. So yun, daming preparations, hindi madali. And ikakabit ko muna yung dashcam. So yun nga pala, pag open mo nito, dual cam ito sa front at saka sa likod. So ito yung sa front, ang main cam. Ito. Yan. And then may dalawang wires. Ito yung camera para sa likod. Tapos ito yung wire. So ito yung camera para sa likod. Ito yung wire para sa front. Yeah, tapos may pang push ata to. So yan, pangkabit. Tapos may mga 3M na pangkabit, mga clips, at saka extra nito. So yan lahat ng mga nasa loob. So ito yung dito ko nilagay yung webcam, dinikit. And then yung wire dito ko pinadaan sa gilid. Tapos may bakante kasi dito dito may space yan. So pinadaan ko dyan hanggang dito. So yan hanggang dyan. Then may space dito. Then papadaan ko yan dyan papuntang baba dito. Tsaka yung sa cigarette kasi nandito kasi sa ano bang tawag, glove compartment ba tawag nito. So nandito, so doon ko ipapalabas doon sa floor. Then dito. So yan ang gagawin ko. Then after this, yung ito naman para sa likod dito. Yan. So yan, na-connect ko na. So ito yung sa front. Yan ang sa front. And then yung sa likod naman, ito yung itsura. So yan. So ang wire pinadaan ko lang dito sa gilid, doon papunta doon sa front, then sa main camera. So yan, okay na. And then na-download ko na din yung app. Yan. So makikita mo to sa phone ko, monitor sa phone ko. So pag mo on mo nito, automatic siyang nagre-record, tapos naglo-loop na lang siya. So yun, I'm done here. And then yung mga mount na lang ng mga camera, itong phone, ang i-arrange ko sa sasakyan na to. So after that, this car will be ready for our long trip to Washington State. Yun. It's 6:20 na dito, 6:20 PM. Kukunin mo namin si Allison sa pinagtatrabahuan niya. It's 36 miles away from Meridian. And then we will, I think, have a dinner outside na lang siguro. Hindi na ako nakapag luto. So sa restaurant na lang kami kakain mamaya. So nandito na kami sa workplace ni Allison. Yan sa likod ko. And si Jansoy, kinuha ni Allison, pumunta sila doon sa loob. Kasi nung last year yata yun, or 2 years ago, or almost 2 years ago, yung magtrabaho kaming dalawa. Tapos paminsan-minsan dinadala ni Allison si Jansoy dito pag duty siya weekend. So yung si Jansoy may mga nakakilala na ng mga residents dito. So sinabihan ni Allison na aalis na siya. So may nag-request na pwede bang papuntahin si Jansoy dito. Makita nila for the last time. So yun, kinuha ni Allison nandun sa loob. So, hinayaan ko na lang para rin salamuha yung mga residents, yung mga matatanda kasi. So, karamihan sila mga lonely ba dito, na mga masasakiting matatanda. So, nandito nila ilalagay. So, yun. Ayan, dala mo. Last day. Hi there. Okay.
I'm sad.
I'm sorry. Why are you sad?
Yeah, I'm leaving my residence.
Behind.
Fine.
I wish I could try this one.
They gave me some
Wow,
giveaways.
giveaway gift.
I wish I could use this.
Okay, yeah, play this one first.
Okay, you can put it in the back, I think.
So yun, officially done working as a registered nurse supervisor in a skilled nursing facility. Yeah, nakakalungkot. Mabigat sa pakiramdam kasi yung mga resident parang pamilya ko na din kasi. So yun, may umiyak, may nagbigay ng mga letters ito. So nakaka-touch lang na nag-effort sila gumawa ng letter. And then yeah, I cried. I don't know why. Most of their, yeah. Sad, totoo lang. Kaya ko. Nangangilag ko yun. Hello everyone. So, last day ko kahapon, pero nag-vlog ako. Pero hindi ko napigilan umiyak kasi nakakalungkot din na maiwan yung mga residents doon. Kasi parang pamilya ko na din sila. And it was a heavy goodbye. So mabigat sa pakiramdam. So ito, ngayon na ako ulit mag-vlog kasi parang yung emotions ko okay na. Hindi na ako maiyak siguro. I was so grateful with them, with my co-workers, kasi when you have questions or when you are in doubt with what you're doing, they're readily available to help or to answer your questions. So every time I have doubts, I ask them right away, especially my DON, who is very, very, very approachable. So it's sad to leave a boss like that. And then they treated me as a family already there. So yun, ipakita ko lang yung mga binigay sa kanila na gift nila sa pag-alis ko. So yung una is from the therapy department. So binigyan nila ako ng mga snacks for road trips daw, tsaka tumbler, which is very so sweet of them to do that. I never expect them to do that for me. So itong for sure, itong tumbler gagamitin ko to sa Washington. So and then snacks out for sure. We're gonna eat that one during our trip. And also a gift card, Uber gift card. That's so nice. So yeah, and then the ultimate gift that I have is from my the HR department, and they gave me this Southern cookbook. It will remind me of Mississippi. So sabi niya sa akin, ito the lumang cookbook na daw niya to, tapos binigay niya sa akin. So diba, napaka-sentimental siguro to sa kanya, tapos binigay niya sa akin. So I feel so special. So yeah, so for sure I'll be cooking all this, not all, itong mga recipe nandito sa cookbook na ito. So and then I'm gonna read you some of their letters as well. From this cookbook, they wrote note how this is from the, I'll read it to you, but I'm not gonna say the name. It says here, may you be proud of the work that you do, the person that you are, and the difference you make. Never underestimate the difference you made and the lives you touch. I hope this book brings you many good memories from your time in Mississippi. So yeah, this is very heartwarming gift. I don't know. I have no words. I can't describe. So it's just overwhelming of emotions. But and then this is from the therapy department letter. So it says here there are three staff who wrote. So it says from one of them, you will be greatly missed. You were so much fun to work with and great to your residents. Good luck to you and your family. And then other staff said, I will miss you. And last one, as you embark on this new chapter in your career, please know that you will be greatly missed. Your skills and warm presence will be hard to replace, but we will wish you all the best in your future endeavors. So never thought that I'm that to them, because I just do my job and be good at my job. And this is from the one of the residents over there. So it says here from the resident and from his daughter. So it says here, Allison, we are going to miss you terribly. What a blessing you have been to both my father and me. Prayers for you and your family as you go to spread your love of God and those who will care for. You will care for. Know that you will love you dearly and will miss you so much. And then this is also one of the, well, all of them are very special. And this is from the last one is coming from all the resident. The one of the resident council president did an effort, last minute effort, to make all the residents sign from this paper. And then even though some of them don't know how to write, they made an effort to sign this letter. It says here, Dear Allison, we regret that you are leaving Bedford Care Center. The residents here at Bedford will miss you. We are thankful for the time we were given with you. We will always cherish the care you have given us. Your kindness and efficiency made us feel very secure. So yeah, like all my hard work are paying off, seeing or reading all these letters. I have a letter from my DON as well, but I was able to keep that already because she gave me it in advance. I kept it already in the scrapbook. I paste it already there. But all of this are gonna be forever in my heart. And then yeah, I'm just very touched from all their gift letters, especially the letters. So I never thought that I have that impact to them. So yeah, and then that today we had dinner with my boss, the DON, and the rest of the staff. So we had dinner, and yeah, just last get together before we leave for Washington. So yeah, it's a fun. This place is I know I've been so close already to them. My heart's still heavy right now, like knowing that I will be leaving Mississippi. But yeah, we're leaving because of we have to be closer with family. So yeah, I'll end this video here, and thank you all for watching. God bless and stay safe. Bye.